Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. A simple question on the simultaneous equation, NOV-DEC 2024 WASSCE Common Mathematics paper. Given that we have x minus y equals 1 as equation 1 and 4x minus 3y equals 1 as equation 2, we have to find the value of 2x minus y. Meaning we need to know what the x and the y are in order to substitute into that expression. So this is a simultaneous equation where we can use either elimination or substitution. So in this case, let me use substitution. So I can say that from equation 1 here, when I keep the x, y is going to move out. So make x the subject. So the x will be equals to 1 plus what? Y. That becomes equation 3. So we put equation 3 into equation 2. Since we deal with equation 1, we are putting it here. Meaning everywhere I see x, I introduce 1 plus y. So that becomes 4 times x, which is 1 plus y minus 3y equals to what? 1. By a substitution. What do? We expand the bracket. 4 times 1 will be 4. 4 times y will be 4y. Then minus 3y equals to 1. You can see in the case of this, they are like terms, so we can subtract 4y minus 3y. That will give you only y. Then this will also transpose. So I'll be having y equals to 1, which is this, minus 4, making y equals to negative 3. If you take away 4 from 1, you will not be able to get it that easy. So it becomes negative. So put y equals to negative 3 into equation 3, which is in terms of x, which is x in terms of y. So x will now be equals to 1 plus y, which is negative 3. Y is negative 3. So this becomes x equals to 1 minus 3. That will give you what? Minus 2. So x is known, y is known. That implies that 2x minus y will now become 2 times x, which is minus 2 minus y, which is minus 3. We deal with the first one, negative 2 times 2. That will be minus 4, right? Negative become positive. So that will give us a 3. Minus 4 plus 3, it's more or less like 3 minus 4. You know, commutative addition. If you hold the minus 4 as a number, then it means 3 plus the minus 4. The same as 3 minus 4. And that will give you a negative 1. And this negative 1 will be the option B. I guess this is also simple. You can try the elimination method also and share your solutions in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.